Okay folks, I'm going to demonstrate on how to reset or get into the service reset menu. First thing we need to do is to reset the trip counter to 0. So to do that, put the keys in, start the engine by putting so as you see, so reset the engine, or reset the mileometer, set back to 0, turn off the engine, take the key back out. Okay, now we'll put the key back in, and without putting my foot on the brake, I'm going to press the start button. Now I'm going to hold in the reset button, and there we are, into the service reset menu. Again, let's show that again. Holding it in, and we can cycle through whatever we want to reset by continually pressing the button. If I wanted to reset anything, I hold in that, reset will come up. I can press the button again to reset it, but as I do not want to do that at this point in time, I won't press it. That is how you get into the service interval reset menu.